I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this weather webcast. Happy Monday to you. Hopefully you had a great weekend. Again, some much-needed rain falling across at least parts of central Illinois, especially along the I-74 corridor for the morning and afternoon. In fact, a few rumbles of thunder, but most of that rain now starting to slide out of the area. And as we look at our Window World X-Vision Sky Cam, we're looking very nice. Over on our Cook's Auto Body Cam, the clouds are now starting to break apart. Go up towards Livingston County, it's mostly sunny. You didn't see a whole lot of rain, if any, up towards Livingston County at all today. And starting to clear out now in Peoria as well. Let's flip over to X-Vision. And as we record this at 3:30, this is a live look where we see a little bit of activity going on right now in portions of Fulton County, Mason County, Western Logan County, and down towards DeWitt County. But everybody else is really starting to dry out. Here's the loop. Since, late morning hours, close to noon, take you back to 11:30. You can see the showers just kind of training right along the I-74 corridor. Now the line continuing to move down to the south. How we do far as rain goes? Well, the airport, some of the reporting stations didn't see a whole lot. Only about 0.2 of an inch reported at the Peoria International Airport. But you go further into town, some areas, at least these are estimated numbers. Again, keep in mind that these are not completely accurate. This is radar estimated, but X-Vision does a pretty good job with this. About 1.2 inches in the central portions of Peoria Metro, and then about an inch out towards the Dunlap area. And we go over towards Washington and Tazewell County, just over a half an inch. Morton, about 3/4 of an inch of rain. But then you head over towards Elmwood, you only picked up about 1/10 of an inch. So a very thin band of heavy rain where we just kept seeing the rain over and over and over again. That line went just west of the Twin Cities, just north of McLean. They picked up about an inch of rain. But if you go over towards the Bloomington-Normal region, only about 0.2 of an inch. Same thing over by Leroy as well. But hey, we'll take the rain where we can get it. Because we're not going to be seeing any real good rain chances, it looks like, on the horizon across the area. And of course, the rain bringing down the temperatures quite a bit. The loser in the temperature department is Peoria, about 15 degrees cooler than where we were yesterday afternoon, but we'll see a rebound in temperatures as we head through the day tomorrow. Not much really going on radar and satellite. There's that line of showers going down to the south. Those are expected to intensify as they continue to move into more unstable air in southern Illinois, where there's a severe thunderstorm watch box out, and that low continues to sag down to the south. High pressure digging into our north and west. That will be here for the rest of the week. Temperatures are cool where we've seen the rain, 62 in Peoria, 65 Bloomington, but everywhere else into the 70s. 70 Macomb, 72 Havana, 70 in Galesburg, 76 in Kewanee. Again, so that's where they're seeing all that. And here's, again, the temperature change over the last 24 hours, and again, the coolest spots right along where they've seen the rain over towards Peoria and Bloomington. Here's other temperatures across the Midwest. We're in 60s and 70s now. Look at the heat building out west. Kansas City at 92 and 91 in St. Louis. That heat will stay away from us. However, it'll stay down to the south. We'll actually have some pretty refreshing air through much of this week. Here's your watch and morning map. And again, there's that severe thunderstorm watch that has been issued south of our area until 10 o'clock this evening. It does include the southern parts of Illinois and western Kentucky, extreme northern sliver of Tennessee, and that's about it. Low pressure moving down to the south, high pressure digging in from the north, and that will be the dry air that we will benefit from as we head through the rest of this work week. In fact, very pleasant conditions. We won't see a big or a significant warm-up probably until at least the weekend as that high comes in from Canada. Microcast is doing a good job of picking up the rain and moving down to the south and clearing out this evening. We'll call it partly cloudy as we roll through the overnight tonight, and we'll call it partly cloudy as well on Tuesday as a little upper level wave moves through, but a lot of dry air in place, so no rain chances for our Tuesday, and we'll see mostly sunny skies, it looks like, as we head through the remainder of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and heading into the weekend. A nice refreshing northerly or northeasterly flow for tonight, and same thing tomorrow, so that will keep temperatures in check. That will continue through Wednesday. We'll start to see by Wednesday night heading into Thursday, winds shifting to the east, and eventually we'll see them move out of the south and east by Friday. So our temperatures look like this: 77 tomorrow, 76 Wednesday, 79 Thursday, low 80s Friday, and then back to the mid-80s as we head into the weekend. Right now, early indications are saying that the weekend is looking dry and warm, again with highs in the mid-80s. That'll do it for your weather webcast on this Monday. We'll have updates on our blog, also on Facebook and Twitter. And if you're local to us, we invite you to join us on WMBD 31 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Have a great Monday evening.